Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are starting the series of case and knowledge management. This is one of the most important application if you work in HRSD. Yes, previously it was a separate application, but now it is coming as a part of HRSD. This is a good move by ServiceNow because HRSD, case management, knowledge management, all these things are interrelated. And if we learn this with respect to HRSD, it will be more beneficial, it will be more integrated, and you will understand it in a better way. So in order to activate case and knowledge management, you have to activate HRSD plugin, and that is Human Resource Scoped App Core. Okay. So once you install this plugin, you will be able to see case management and knowledge management, two applications installed on your demonstration instance, that is demo instance. So today, let me give you a brief about knowledge and case management. Let's say you are an employee. You want certain information handy every time whenever you need it, right? Let's say your personal information, your payroll information, your benefits, some of the settings, some of the things which you need on the spot. Let's say you want to apply for the leave. Let's say you want to apply for any kind of benefit. Let's say you want to apply for any kind of access for any kind of device. So what to do? Okay, you should know that this is a process and you have to do like this. So for that, there is a particular database which we call knowledge management, and all the information which employees need on day-to-day basis or generally, request and access basis. So such information is available in that particular knowledge base in the form of articles. This knowledge base is very important because it reduces the headache of HR, right? Because if an employee do not know how to do something, then he has to reach out to the HR, and it will create, amount of pressure to the HR and HR department, because the companies which is having more number of employees will be having more number of, requests from the employees. So having a good, active and relevant knowledge base is at most important for any organization. So this is a knowledge management. Okay, certain information is there. But what is a case management? So let's say you are an employee, you face some issue. So what you have to do, you will register a case with respect to that issue. And the HR person or HR agent will be able to modify, will be able to provide solution to that particular issue. So this is case management. Basically, when an employee requests some information, request an input from HR department, in that case, he will create case. Okay, and whole process of case is designed keeping such things in mind so that it will get resolved quickly and the employee will get utmost value. So this is the brief about HR and case management. More we go deep, more you understand better. Okay, so just subscribe to this channel and follow this series. This is very important. And now I'm signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.